Kuma Klan, just checking in with you guys. Gonna give you a quick 10-minute update, and just skim through some things, look at our charts, check where we're at, look at our new lower highs, things of that nature. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I offer any financial advice. And if you're here for the first time, please hit that like button, ring them notification bells, and comment Kuma Klan Diamond Hands. Okay, so we want to check out a couple things, see where we're at. As you can see, guys, we're down 12.5% here. Okay. The market in general is, on a nice pullback. A lot of these projects is not, Look, I just went through a big correction. I look at it like, we went through a correction. The market just, went parabolic these couple weeks and it just went on a big correction, So we're going to dive into the updated Kuma news. If they talk about Kuma, we want to know about it because it's our little Kumas. And if you're here for the first time and you're part of the Kuma Klan Diamond Hand Fan Club, hit that like button, ring the notification bells, and let's get it going. So here, we're just going to, we got a post from Bybit. The next big meme coin, Elon, Floki, Kuma. Baby Doge, and this was 4 hours ago is when they posted this. So, we're going to go into it ourselves. And this was actually 11 hours ago. And as you can see, this is a verified, platform and stuff of that nature. They know the crypto space, because their team is full of developers and professionals, so, as far as Kuma being a rug pull or anything of that nature, it's just not the case here. So we're just going to move on to more positive things. See, as we dipped today, we had a lot of buys in on this Kuma dip. See, people, they're going to buy this dip, guys, and once I get some chips, I need some dip for them immediately. So, so this dip, they panic, we pounce. Just, things of that nature, guys. I just want to touch in on one thing because, we have to realize we're part of a ecosystem. We're part of a trend, things of that nature, So we just wanted to, go over some things as that. I was reading a very good article earlier, guys. I want to share with you guys, Just definitely want to share with you. And of course, every time I use MSN, it doesn't do what I want it to do. Have to do extra digging, extra research. I should bring up the article, I believe. So yeah, this was the one. This was the beautiful one, Kumas. So we're in a phase right now, and it's funny. It's like it was an expert that was just talking earlier, and he was basically explaining how a lot of these coins are going to fall off. And I was funny, a couple videos, if go back and watch my videos that I was talking about the crypto bubble. And that, even though a bubble pops, there's always residue left. And, the residue there's always something after the pop of the bubble, And whatever's standing is the strongest. So let's just going to go over this article right quick, just to touch because, actually a new meme coin to the space. So we're coming into a growing space that is here to stay. They are a part of the evolution of finance, and it can't be ignored, okay? So a lot of these coins, guys, will not be here to stay. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I offer any financial advice, Just give you the plays, give you thoughts and ideas, type of plays I'm into, things of that nature. Please do your own due diligence and research before entering anywhere in the crypto space, okay? So meme coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin have gained massively in the past year. What they have in common, among other things, is the community, the family. Kuma is the community behind them. Chris Klein of Bitcoin IRA said, they're part of the evolution of digital finance in their own way, he added. It's been an incredible week for Shiba Inu. The meme coin have rallied 150%. We did 189 and overtook Dogecoin. That's a joke. Another earlier cryptocurrency with a cute puppy mascot as well. But while both coins started as jokes, they are now among the top 10 largest digital assets by market valuation according to Coin Market Cap. That's amazing, guys. And they may be a sign of what's to come as cryptocurrencies continue to grow. They're part of the evolution of the digital finance in their own unique way. Chris Klein, co-founder of Bitcoin IRA, told Insider. He acknowledged that some coins may not withstand the test of time. I stated that weeks ago, the bubble, test of time, father time, and wonders how many meme coins can the industry sustain. Okay, guys, now we was talking about this, okay? A lot of people, a lot of coins will be reborn. This rug pull thing, right, is a joke to me, right? Because this is what's going on. You have a new technology and a new project, right? It's something brand new, right? Anytime something new comes out, it can be duplicated. It can be, so it's new and many people are not knowledgeable of it. But over time, there will be, just as I'm predicting a 10-year shot, 5 to 10 years, there will be coins and projects that will emerge as permanent things, okay? You have these clothing brands, you have the all, and you're going to have a couple off brands floating around, and that's going to be it. And anything that tried to rise after that, you're not going to just be able to start your own crypto in the future and just take off with it the way it's doing now. Like this .com bubble thing. It bubbled, it popped, now you just can't start a website and be big now. So with these cryptos, the reason you're having these rug is because anybody can open a crypto and make it look good and, copy the correct codes. But all of that is going to fall off. That is a process. It's a system working itself out. Rug pulls will not be forever. Eventually, it'll be illegal to do a rug pull, if you ask me, because that's fraud in a way. It's like opening up a fake, so that's why I believe regulation with crypto is going to come into play, where maybe you have to apply, you have to fill out a certain application and, things of that nature to open or to start your own project in the future. See, certain types of regulation is things that I believe is great to protect. I don't think people can ever be protected from the type of investments they make, but I think people should be protected against complete frauds. Kumas. Okay? So that's what, I like to see. How many meme coins? In general, I never said meme coin. I'm talking cryptos in general. A lot of these coins will fall off. We're watching something grow. These coins are going to grow and then they're going to explode and then they're going to consolidate. That is my overall prediction in this market. It's going to grow the way gold consolidates right now. It doesn't shoot drastically up. It doesn't shoot drastically down. Somebody was upset when I said Bitcoin's not hitting 100,000 this year. Oh my gosh, yeah. I believe Bitcoin is the most secure thing possible. That's good that it's not volatile. It's not. People want to be able to sit their money and watch it. Not everybody is looking to come up. Some people are looking to secure, sustain, maintain, maintenance, things of that nature, So I believe Bitcoin is doing great right now. I can see it hitting 70,000 at the end of the year, pushing 80,000, and like it's growing. That is an investment. It's not a joke anymore. It's not nothing you can say, oh, Bitcoin's a scam. Well, watch your money. No, it's going to be secure. I love the security that Bitcoin is bringing. And I love its slow, steadily growth. Like the way it's growing now is actually amazing. These things are turning into real stocks. We're watching an evolution. This is the future of finance here. That's what most people don't understand. So my thing is this. You have Bitcoin, you have all of these things. Now, when companies first open up, it's like if you could have caught Uber or Lyft when it first started. How much money would you have now? If you could invest in it, this is one game that blew my mind. I was watching it. Was it for Roblox? I think there's a Roblox stocks, guys. I don't know if you are familiar with the game Roblox that the kids play. This stock's almost 300 something bucks, guys. Like if you would have caught an AMC at $6, things that these are the nature. So these businesses, because I'm looking at businesses that are starting, okay, are all going to hit a peak, and eventually when you do get into these businesses, you're going to expect a 10% or 20% return in 10, 20 years. It's going to be regular stock returns. These things will not be volatile. The only reason we're seeing volatility because this whole market is new. So it has to grow. It has so much space to grow. So we're watching it just grow. Everybody's adapting it. So, the profits from the growth is kicking in. But I promise you 10 years from now, people are not going to just be, oh, I made 500% in crypto in a year. You're not going to see that. Because once everybody enters this space that is mine, it's acceptable to enter in the space. And once they enter the space and they live like this and they have offspring and they grew up around it, it continues to spread regardless. So we're going to have a large portion of the population of this globe that's into crypto, that's into full financial communication. And then that is going to thus create massive stability with all of these cryptos because everybody's going to put into crypto for a certain return, or everybody's going to be making payments, so it's going to cause stability. That's why I look, that's my overall prediction in 10 years or so. So as far as Kuma, we're actually, we're doing great. We had a little pullback, it's kind of funny, but my thing is also, I've noticed these like chats, these websites, things of that nature. There's always people around, like these weird energies, and maybe it is the developers. Who knows? I don't think they. You see, the developers are always watching our communities and seeing how we interact. These are community-driven projects. If you push the project, nobody will ever. It's not. You're not. If you push the project, it's gonna go as far as you want it to. If you communicate, the community is friendly. Everybody's on the same page, and that's what it is. But I'm looking at, as far as businesses. Smart people align themselves with businesses. This is how you develop long-term relationships, things of that nature. I started in the market like a little crypto savage, crypto thoughts, whatever. I'm here, I'm there, and as I grow a deeper understanding of how serious this is, because we're looking at financial evolution. We're not just looking at a bunch of coins popping up. We're looking at the transition of the biggest transition of wealth in history. Some people will be made wealthy, and some people, So a lot of people are going to have memories. Well, yeah, I used to make great money in crypto. That is going to pass. So you're going to have your guys that's taking crypto as a temporary job. Eventually, they will be fired during stabilization. You all do stabilization. The swing trading will not be that. It's going to be regular like stocks. You're going to have to, and all of that will end. All your 500% gains, your raise, your extreme volatility, all that will end. And we're going to come into just a clarity. But you're going to have some people that held diamond throughout the journey. So we're looking at a very big transfer of wealth. That's what I'm looking at. Whatever cryptos are going to be standing out of all of their ashes, they will be at new levels, and they will all hold around a small fluctuation range of value. And they will all have their thing. I think Bitcoin will all be the digital gold. You have some of these cryptos that's going to hit, a $3 mark, $2 mark, and that'll be your payments. And, some cryptos might be good at, $5 or $1 or 50 cents. I think you're going to have different ranges, and they're just all working themselves out. But they're all community driven. So you can actually watch the community and see where this will go or how this would be, So that's all I'm pretty much saying. And this is the thread, this is the votes, so, everybody's done their due diligence on Kuma, those who've done the research, and it's not spreading the FUD, stuff of that nature. So we're doing pretty good. We got our basically our social media frequencies are picking up, and that is very important with these coins. The hype, the talking, the gossiping, the chittering, the chattering, that gets what people want to join it. The bigger our community is, the more secure people feel. It's just pretty much simple, So we control our community, and as we're growing, we're going to have a bigger say-so in our community, fully decentralized meme channel. And if you're here for the first time, please hit that like button, subscribe button, and comment Kuma Klan Diamond Hands. Join us on our videos. We do not offer financial advice, but we just offer, conversations, things we receive from the Kumas, We speak about the universe, we speak about the world, things of that nature. So we have to just be aware of that, guys. Okay, let's be aware of that, guys. I know I spelled that wrong. I'm just getting into pop-up. Google does it all for you. Let's get aware of it, That's just really what, we gotta, get done. It's pretty much simple, Look at our holders, weave through the mess. I look at Kuma as just getting established online. As his whole market, we're talking 6 months, guys. There's a lot of work these guys. I don't think these guys are slacking on us. I think they're more of, we're going to let their actions speak. Their actions speak, So if actions are speaking, that's great. We're at 23,642 holders, so, we're steadily rising. Slow though. We are slowed up a little bit on our rise rates, because we should have breached the 24 today. We're doing 25, but as far as that's pretty cool here. Then the chart here, I'm actually, see, every time this thing pulls back, it's a little irritating. Like, okay, we get this little run up, we get this pullback. But when I see these run ups, every time I see our bat up, I'm looking for that new support level. Because usually, if you have a strong support line, it bounces off of it. So I'm always looking for that level. And the support line comes from competitive behavior. So that's what it's going on with that. So just basically come up with a great comfortability zone. Because you want to have your cell zones, but you got to know your secure support barriers. Like, okay, it's time to get up out of here. Let's go. Crazy, weird stuff is happening. The stock is crashing. Stuff like that. So, let me see what we got here. After our last run up. Yeah, so, really, guys, we weren't looking for our new consolidation points. Okay. And looking pretty good so far. In my eyes, we are, currently holding up above around the 25. I think that's a good support line to establish for now. So, the chart gives us some more information, more growth, more time, and we will be more secure on that. Definitely 20 is always our extreme support line. So, that I will always say that. And we have actually done good on that. We've tested that on the 18th. It's currently the 31st, so we haven't seen that in a while. So that is great. That is great. But I'm looking for some new higher lows. And I got my eye on this 30 range right here. Okay, I want to see that become the new bounce point. That'd be great. But you can definitely see 20 as a superior resistance line. A very strong resistance right there. So support line. So that's it. So I'm looking for a little bit of consolidation, and I'm basically, guys, at this point it's in the wind for real. As far as we're going somewhere, that's guaranteed. We got a serious team behind us. This whole space just started, and we're new within this whole space. So, we're definitely going to have a good growth period. I like to see what is the overall future. How much utility can we get out of this token? What are more things that, the developers and the devs and stuff of that nature is going to bring into this space, to where we have utility and multiple purpose use where we can be used as payment forms and things of that nature. I want us to be taken seriously, honestly, Kuma. So that's what we have to work on also. And once we get that past that, good to go. And once again, guys, happy Halloween to anybody who celebrates it. To me, it's a kid's holiday, not my thing, but I do love the feeling and happiness of people. They go outside, they have fun, they talk, they socialize. So pretty cool. Once again, if you're here for the first time, please hit that like button. Turn on all your notification bells and comment Kuma Klan Diamond Hands. So yeah, guys, that's basically what we want to keep an eye on. We have a great, strong support at 20. We already established that, so we use that as a start point to create our ideas. That's the foundation of our thoughts and our guesstimations, estimations, things we receive from the big Kuma, things of that nature. So that's really what's going on here. And as far as all of the information, because I'm the type of guy, I like to second guess things. But if I'm if we're getting bullets and shots thrown at us, like, come on, dude, like, how many times can we get pummeled on? How many times can we just sit back here and get? So honestly, with the we're looking at the website, right? When it first went on, I already I'm a second guess, I'm a thinker, I'm not nobody's fool, and I was not born yesterday. So looking how secure and how strong of a project this is, and I'm looking at that, and I like to just see actions speak louder than words, but I'm just gonna settle with when this site goes back up, there's going to be some changes to it. It's going to be new things coming for the Kumas. Okay, we have a serious project. Everybody knows we're serious, and we have this quiet. It's a deafening silence with Kuma. Shaking out the paper hands. It's a definite silence with developers. I think we talking about some ace of spades up the sleeves. You got some jokers up your sleeve. Good cards up your sleeve, strong game, strong hand of poker, things like that, Kumas. Okay, so we're good on that. So once again, we're gonna keep it short, and guys, enjoy your night, and I will definitely give you an update. But Bybit is definitely acknowledging the Kuma spread of the Kumas. So that's pretty cool. So we're on the right pace, guys, and just Kuma Klan, Diamond Hands, and we will definitely talk for morning updates.